In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. First, choose the photo that you want the background to be removed. You can do it by choosing photo from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this photo. After that, select the photo, then go to the top toolbar and click this BG Remover tool. As you can see, the background has been removed and now you can add another photo as a new background. To do that, just go to the Elements tab or Uploads tab to add the photo, choose the photo, then right-click the photo and click Set Image as Background. So that's how to remove background in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.